Hey, welcome back to Mr. Speak. I'm Emma. It's great to see you again.
And I'm Paul. Thanks for tuning in. You know, Emma, I've been thinking about something.
Oh, what's on your mind this time?
Small steps. How tiny moves can lead to big success.
That sounds interesting. Let's dive into it. Part 1, the meaning.
So, Emma, when you hear small steps, what do you picture?
Honestly, I imagine someone climbing a hill, one step, then another. Slow, but steady.
Exactly. Success works the same way. You don't jump to the top, you climb step by step.
Just like learning English, you don't become fluent in a day. You grow, word by word, line by line.
Right. One word today, one tomorrow. Before you know it, you're speaking naturally.
And when people say, I'm too slow, I tell them, slow progress is still progress.
You only fail when you stop.
Part 2, a real example.
Let's say you want to read an English book. Big goal, right?
Totally. It feels impossible at first.
But what if you promise to read just one page today? That's easy.
1 page a day, and in a month, you finish the whole book. Magic, right?
That's the secret, not power, but patience.
I like that. Patience turns effort into success. Part 3, learning English the smart way. Some of our students say, I want to speak fluently in 1 month.
Oh, I've heard that too. I wish it worked that way.
But learning a language is like watering a plant. You can't flood it once and expect it to bloom.
Nice one. Just 5 new words a day. Do that for a year, and boom, you know over 1,800 words.
That's wild, and it's not even hard. 5 words, anyone can do that.
Exactly. It's the small daily wins that build real confidence.
Yes, and you don't feel stressed or tired, just steady growth. Part 4, why people quit.
But let's be honest, people often give up. Why do you think that is?
Maybe because they expect results too quickly.
True. After a week, they say, I still can't speak fluently, and then they stop.
But real learning takes time, like a seed that needs sunlight and water every day.
Right? You can't rush nature.
Or English. Part 5, small step habits.
All right, time for some quick tips.
Tip 1, start small. Don't say, I'll study for 3 hours. Just say, 10 minutes.
10 minutes is easy. Once you start, you'll probably go longer.
Tip 2, stay consistent. Even 5 minutes a day is better than nothing.
Consistency always beats speed.
Tip 3, celebrate your wins.
Yes, tell yourself, nice job. Maybe reward yourself with a snack or a song.
Because when you enjoy learning, you stick with it. Part 6, real life story. Paul, remember your Spanish days?
Oh yes, I was terrible at first. Couldn't roll my R's at all.
Hahaha, but you didn't give up.
Nope, 5 new words every single day. A year later, I could actually hold a conversation.
See, that's proof small steps work.
Exactly. Don't compare your day 1 with someone else's year 5.
Oof, that's deep. Part 7, motivation boost. Imagine a student right now, tired and ready to quit. What would you tell them, Paul?
I'd say, hey, don't stop now. You're closer than you think.
I love that.
Every time you study, your brain gets stronger. You just can't see it yet.
Like walking uphill. It's hard, but the view at the top makes it worth it.
Exactly. Step by step, that's how you get there.
Part 8, quick recap.
All right, quick summary.
Number 1, success is built from small steps.
Number 2, trust your journey.
Number 3, do something every single day.
Number 4, celebrate your wins.
Number 5, never, ever give up.
Even one small action today moves you forward tomorrow.
Learn 1 word, write 1 line, or listen to 1 podcast, like this one.
Ha ha, yes, you're already doing it.
Part 9, closing words.
Remember, great success doesn't happen overnight.
It grows from the tiny things you do every day.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep walking.
Because those small steps, they always lead somewhere amazing.
Beautifully said.
Thanks for spending time with us today.
If you enjoyed this episode, hit like and subscribe, and share it with someone who needs motivation.
Tell us in the comments, what's your small step for today?
Maybe it's a new word, maybe it's this podcast, whatever it is, it counts.
Keep moving forward, everyone.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye-bye.
Bye.